Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, August 19th, 2020. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Well, what we have here is a cold front moving through the region, and that is going to support a few scattered showers and thunderstorms today. Some of those showers are going to be more widespread as you head down towards southern New Jersey and central New Jersey, even the Philadelphia metro, New York City metro, more of a scattered nature. But as you can see, even off towards around just north of Newark, you see some of those thunderstorms can be pretty strong, capable of producing some brief heavy downpours, occasional lightning, and wind gusts around 40 miles per hour. Temperatures this morning range from the mid to upper 50s over the far northern interior to the lower to mid 60s in the suburbs, mid 60s to even a few upper 60s down towards southern New Jersey ahead of the cold front. Now this cold front's going to move through, and behind it is going to be some really nice weather, some really pleasant conditions for this evening with dew points crashing and very dry air. Some locations, especially around the Poconos and around the Catskills, may even fall into the upper 40s for lows tomorrow morning. That's the type of cold air mass that we're going to be having built into the region. So very pleasant weather on the way. But first for today, we're going to have to dodge a few showers and thunderstorms. When we take a look at the latest surface map, you can see various cold fronts on the move here, various waves of low pressure. All of this is going to swing on through with this high pressure system taking control by tonight. On the radar, you can see those showers and thunderstorms. Now you see this bulk here. This is the focus of the heaviest rainfall, and this is associated with what we call a strong shortwave. So the idea here is that this strong shortwave is going to rotate right through southern New Jersey and produce some heavier rainfall, some brief heavy downpours with some of these embedded thunderstorms. Nothing severe is expected though. It's the wrong type of environment. But overall, dodge a few showers, and you can see on the infrared satellite picture, notice what I've been saying the past couple of days. Cold cloud tops have been missing, cold fronts are generally weak. In this case, with the more widespread rainfall, we see the support here with these cold cloud tops showing up. And these cold cloud tops, they support that potential for a heavier downpour here and there, because the colder the cloud top, the stronger the lifting. The stronger the lifting, the heavier the precipitation. It's going to be a key thing to remember as we head into the cold season months. Just keep that in the back of your mind. It's really important to understand that process. That's why when we watch clouds get colder, it's a very important signal for intensification and the potential for a stronger outcome. So when we zoom in and see the sun rising, you can see even more impressively now, this is what we call the sandwich satellite picture, because it takes a combination of visible satellite picture and the infrared satellite picture. So you get the texture of the visible and the color analysis of the infrared. So you can see the colder cloud tops here, and you can see the type of clouds that are building, the type of cumulus clouds, how high in the structure in which they're building, to kind of give you an idea on the storm structures. So you can see very clearly here, pretty nice little elevated storm structure taking shape here with this nice little shortwave, and all that is heading towards our neck of the woods. So again, I'd say right around here is where you're going to see your best, more widespread rainfall. And then as you head towards the New York City metro and down up towards Connecticut and the Hudson River Valley, more of a scattered nature in the rainfall based on the way that this shortwave is moving. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, scattered showers and thunderstorms, cold front moves through, temperatures rising into the mid to upper 70s. Behind the cold front, we clear out this evening, humidity crashes. And with it, temperatures will be falling off into the upper 40s to mid 50s for lows over the interior, talking about the Poconos, Catskills, parts of northwestern New Jersey. Everyone else falls off into the mid 50s to lower 60s. Anyway, you slice it, open up the windows, it's going to be absolutely beautiful. For tomorrow afternoon, high pressure and complete control, light and variable winds, clear skies for the most part, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s. On Friday, high pressure sits right over the area, clear skies, sky cloud cover is expected, low temperatures in the upper 50s to mid 60s, high temperatures in the mid 70s to lower 80s. Now on Saturday, the high pressure system starts to exit. And so what that does is it supports a shift in the winds more to the southwest, although very light. And you're going to notice a slight increase in the humidity and a little bit more cloud cover. Still going to remain dry. Temperatures on Saturday range from the mid to upper 60s for lows. High temperatures range from the upper 70s to mid 80s for highs. On Sunday, a weak trough starts to build in over the region, basically around the Delaware River Valley, and we're going to get more of an influence from the Gulf Coast. You've heard this before. A tropical air mass is going to start to build in, so we have to watch out for some fog in the morning, an isolated shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. Temperatures on Sunday range from the mid-60s to lower 70s for lows, and lower to mid-80s along the coast, mid-80s everywhere else. On Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, we are basically locked into this tropical air mass. Now, one little caveat to this pattern, we're going to have to watch this frontal boundary very carefully, because to the north of this frontal boundary is some very cool air, okay, from the Canadian Maritimes. So we have to watch to see how that sets up. But the overall theme here is that tropical air mass is going to take hold with a threat for fog in the morning, isolated showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon, low temperatures generally ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s, high temperatures in the mid 80s to lower 90s, with a noted increase in humidity, so it'll probably feel more like the lower to mid 90s, except when you're on the coast with a sea breeze. But overall, I mean, it is summer. I mean, it is August, it is summer, so you're going to have a couple days like this. But this backdoor cold front that we're going to be watching very carefully, it may have some surprises, let's say, by Tuesday night into Wednesday, leading to a cooler forecast than what we have now. So we'll watch that very carefully. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. We have a live chat in the premium section for tonight, so if you have any questions, definitely come in and join. Only $11 a month, and well worth it for you to get specific answers from a real meteorologist and not just some app that you might just pull up somewhere. So, have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.